हाय एवरीवन, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम वालेकुम। अब तक इंग्लैंड और ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बीच 2 वनडे इंटरनेशनल्स खेले जा चुके हैं एंड दे बोथ हैव बीन अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्लोजली कॉन्टेस्टेड क्रिकेट गेम्स। दोनों ही टीम्स ने एक एक गेम जीत लिया है एंड नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स द थर्ड एंड द फाइनल वनडे इंटरनेशनल, जो खेला जाएगा एट द सेम वेरी ग्राउंड, द एमिरेट्स, ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड, मैनचेस्टर में ऑन द 16th of September। एज ऑलवेज लेकर आ गया हूँ मैं आपके लिए कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इंटरेस्टिंग क्रिकेट बेटिंग टिप्स। होपफुली यू विल लाइक देम, यूज देम एंड मेक सम मनी विद क्रिकेट बेटिंग। चलिए, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। First thing first, let's talk about the weather. As of now, the weather report says that there will not be any rain interruption. Clear weather with clear sky with 20 degrees Celsius. Having said that, I would recommend just before the game start, एक बार आप ज़रूर weather देख लीजिएगा, क्योंकि UK में weather कभी भी change हो सकता है. In case the weather shows high cloud cover, keep that in mind. In such scenario, game will turn more towards in the favor of bowlers because a high cloud cover will support the pacers to bowl extremely well and swing the ball around. So keep that in mind and make sure you check the weather report just before the game starts. Another very important element of a cricket game is the pitch. As of now, looking at the both games, this seems to be a good, decent batting wicket. It is not a wicket like जो 2019 ICC वर्ल्ड कप में दिया गया था, जहाँ पर बैट्समैन बहुत आराम से स्कोर कर रहे थे. This pitch is a little slow and is offering inconsistent bounce, जिसकी वजह से बैटिंग becomes a little difficult and bowlers को बहुत सपोर्ट मिलता है. So this pitch is an excellent wicket for both batsmen and bowlers. Keep that in mind before you put your hard-earned money on the cricket betting. Now let's get started with cricket betting tips. Tip number 1. अब तक दोनों ही टीम्स ने एक एक गेम जीत लिया है और दोनों ही गेम कोई भी टीम जीत सकती थी. गेम के एंड तक इट वाज वेरी वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू प्रेडिक्ट द गेम कि कौन जीतेगा. सो आई वुड रिकमेंड, डू नॉट पुट योर मनी इन सच अ सिनारियो. दोनों ही टीम बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग है, दोनों ही टीम्स के बैटिंग और बॉलिंग बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग है. तो इन सच सिनारियो, पुटिंग योर मनी इज़ लाइक टेकिंग अ वेरी हाई रिस्क. सो माई रिकमेंडेशन, डू नॉट पुट योर मनी even though it offers you a good rate of return. It is a very very high risk. Having said that, the only tip that I can recommend you, दोनों ही गेम्स ने जिस टीम ने पहले बैटिंग करी है, that team has won the game. So in case थर्ड ODI गेम में पहली बैटिंग कर अगर टीम ने anything above 250 260 स्कोर कर दिया, there is a good chance that they will win the game. So wait for the game to begin. Don't put your money before the game starts. Wait for the first inning to get over. Look at the score. And अगर first inning में 260 270 score कर दिया, then you can put your money on that team, because chasing second becomes very very difficult because ball stays low and it becomes very difficult for the batsman to score. Alright. Tip number 2. First inning runs. Like I said, it is no more a wicket जैसे ICC World Cup 2019 में दिया गया था. तो you cannot expect 300 plus runs. There will be runs scored anything between 250 to 285 because pitch is not supporting batting as much as it did in the ICC World Cup. Ball नीचे रह रही है with inconsistent bounce. दोनों ही टीम्स की बॉलिंग लाइनअप बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी है and it is also supporting little bit of spinners as well. So बहुत high scoring game नहीं रहेगा. तो first inning में I don't expect a 300 plus run, despite the fact that they both have a good batting lineup. It will score anything above 250 and below 285. So how can you play this bet? Once the game starts only, not before the game. Once the game starts, you can put your money on 250 plus or 225 plus and anything lower than 300 and 300 plus. I think in both these scenarios you can make your money. Hear me out again. Anything above 225 is a safe bet, and below 300 is also a safe bet. Put your money accordingly, and I'm sure you'll make money out of it. It is a 85% low risk bet. So make sure you play this particular bet. Tip number 3. Now, after the first 10 overs, ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने दोनों गेम्स में एग्रेसिवली बैटिंग करके 45 रन स्कोर किए थे वर्सेस इंग्लैंड का एवरेज रहा है ओनली 27 रन्स. सो द इंग्लैंड हैव स्टार्टेड वेरी स्लोली एंड Australia have played a little more aggressively. So, first session of the cricket game, for the first 10 overs, you can put your money on less than 60 runs when Australia is batting and less than 45 when England is batting. दोनों ही केसेस में you can make good money. I think it is a medium risk. I don't see all of a sudden something changed. पिच वैसी ही रहेगी एंड बोथ द टीम्स के बॉलर्स बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं. सो मेक श्योर यू पुट योर मनी ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर टिप. आई एम श्योर यू विल मेक मनी आउट ऑफ इट. Tip number 4, the first 15 overs. As of now, what we have seen in the last 2 games, Australia have managed to score 72 runs compared to England 49 runs. Looking at the trend and looking at the way the players are batting, England बहुत slow game को शुरू कर रही है compared to Australia. So you can comfortably put your money towards Australia to score more runs compared to England in the first 15 overs. I think it is a safe, low risk bet with 85% chance of you making money out of it. So make your bet for this. I have a strong feeling. Looking at the statistics, I think you will make money out of it. Tip number 5, this is a high risk bet. I'm actually very surprised that this is actually high risk, but it has become a high risk as of now. 4 इनिंग्स में अब तक सिर्फ 1 सेंचुरी स्कोर हुई है, वो भी बिलिंग्स ने स्कोर करी थी अनएक्सपेक्टेडली इन द सेकेंड ODI. The fact that the pitch is not supporting batting as much as we expected, this is going to be a very tricky and a risky bet. I would recommend you not to put your money, but in case you wish to take a risk, you can put your money on the fact that the century will be scored, and I have a feeling maybe it will. However, I would actually not recommend because it has a 50-50 chance. Therefore, you stand a good chance of losing your money as well. And as you know, I am somebody who will always recommend you to put your money in a low risk, safe cricket betting tips. Rest, the choice is yours. But here were my 5 cricket betting tips for the tournament. As always, I wish you all the very best. I hope you use my cricket betting tips and make some money with online cricket betting. If you have liked the video, please like it, share with your friends and family जो क्रिकेट बेटिंग करते हैं. एंड अब तक अगर आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, make sure you subscribe the channel because lots more cricket betting tips is coming your way. Until then, I wish you all the very best. Khuda Hafiz, Sayonara, ciao ciao.